What is up, guys? So today is the end of day 3 and I'm recording this video because I'm just going to get to sleep. A pattern that I have noticed is just keep on yapping about what happened, what didn't happen, what didn't work, but I believe this is not the right format. So I'm going to keep it short, I'm going to keep it actionable, I'm going to keep it so if you're building against me or building something alongside me, you can actually measure, you can actually follow me, or you can actually put in a comment, so we just all of us can work together. If there's anybody watching this, or I do not make these videos to get famous or to become a YouTuber or something, I just like consistency in everything I do, so that's why I have started this creating this. So basically, at the end of the day 3, what are the updates? The updates are, first of all, we did what we wanted to do, right? I created the environment which allows me to work a lot, right? I have put in like 4 different posters which I created myself, and just cleared the cluttered, just did as much as I can, did everything. And yeah, basically it's a very good environment now, my room, my own room. So that was a main goal, right? And of course I watched a Gary Halbert's old tape where he shared how you need to be the wizard, you need to be the king of your industry, you need to claim that you know, because the best chiropractors, he's given an analogy like the best chiropractors are the poorest chiropractors, but the people who can convince the chiropractors who can convince other people that they are the best are the richest. So basically it's all the game is about perception and everything. That's what Gary Halbert, no, who was it, Dan Kennedy, I'm sorry, Dan Kennedy was explaining. So yeah, if you want that video, you can comment below. I'm gonna share you any resource you want, right? So everything is completely on me. So yeah, if you're building alongside, you can always let me know what I thought. So let me come back to that. I have completed my all tasks. On top of that, what I have additional did is I went through like 1000 names on chat gpt about the agency, and I finally have an agency name which I like, and I have bought the domain for, right? My agency's name is going to be ascentlabs.co. .co is the domain, of course. So that's the name of my agency. We have got that figured out. It's a really good name, I believe. Ascent is like a growth, and then labs, I really like the word labs in agency or anything you do, because it just shows that you are authentic. I don't know why this happens, but it happens. On top of that, we also have a logo, which is, these are like the additional ones. We did not need to do that today. It comes in like phase 3 or phase 4, right? But tomorrow, which is the 2nd of July, or the day 4, marks a very important day, because now the things are going to get a lot more messier and a lot more heavy on me, right? So if you guys don't know, I'm also in a college, so I have an exam tomorrow, but that's out of the way. I don't even care about those exams. So yeah, I need to cold call heavily, because what I've targeted is, I have a document, if you guys need it, let me know, where all the B2B niches are listed down, like which B2B niches you should target, which you should avoid, with all the reasons and everything. It's completely research based, it's not mine, it's Carsten Fox's resource. So yeah, if you want that, you can just let me know. And yeah, basically I'm going to pick out 20 niches. I'm going to cold call 100 of them every single day. Basically, no, I'm gonna cold call around 400. I have made this target, but I know this is not realistic, but still I'm gonna target as much as I can, because of course that's what we are doing here. Like 29 days I have to get a client. Now it's 28 days actually, the time limit is 29. So yeah, basically now we work on establishing what markets or what market are we going to target. I'm not sure whether I should target one niche or multiple niches. That is what we have to figure out tomorrow. And I'm going to cold call, and that's the whole thing. It's going to be about 4 to 5 days. That's just figuring out what market, and then the next 2 days is going to be about our offer. So about 7 days from now, so by the end of this week, I believe it's Wednesday, yeah, so basically probably by Sunday or Monday, I'm not sure, you can add just 6 days, or probably Tuesday, Monday to Tuesday, we're gonna have an offer. We're gonna have a market which is a very big, and now I'm not talking about here creating a lukewarm offer. I'm gonna create a grand slam offer, and for that I also need some more information about AI. So of course I'm going to keep learning that as well. Even though I don't mention it, I am learning it. And I also went over Supabase. I have stopped it because it got a lot more technical. I have absolutely no coding language or any type of knowledge. So yeah, there was the update, right? We are gonna focus on selecting a market, selecting niches, targeting that, and that's the update. I'll see you guys tomorrow, right, with all the updates. And I'm also gonna list down the targets, so you can always see what the targets I'm creating for today, for tomorrow, and then how much I do, how much I did, how much time it's gonna take, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any comments, let me know. If you want any resources, let me know. Peace out.